Hi, I'm Andrew with SPARC. I want to show you guys our single argon flow meter. It's got some amazing features. It has a very simple, easy to read 0 to 3,500 PSI bottle pressure gauge. There's no metric scales on it, so it's very easy to read at a distance. You don't have to get super close to your bottle to get an accurate pressure reading and check the level of your bottle. So we've got a 0 to 60 SCFH flow tube, super easy to read. It's scaled on this side for argon, and on the other side, it's scaled for argon CO2 blends. They measure a little bit differently, so there's two different scales depending on the gas blend that you're using. To use it, it's really simple. You take it, make sure obviously your gas bottle is off. You're gonna take the regulator, thread it into the bottle. Try to get it pretty snug, kind of finger tight. You take a crescent wrench or similar, throw it on the bottle nut. Make sure your flow control valve is all the way closed before you turn the bottle on so you don't get any leakage. And open our bottle up. And you can see right away the pressure shot up to about 2,200 PSI. We've got a really nice full bottle here. From there, we have a couple connection options for your welder. So there's a basic adapter fitting here that will thread on. This adapter threads on, allows you to use a standard 5/8 flare fitting that's compatible with almost any welder on the market. From there, you're gonna take your inert gas hose with that flare fitting and literally thread it right in. We have those hoses available too in 12 and 20-foot lengths. Here again, we're gonna finger tight and then take our crescent wrench, tighten it up. With both of these connections, make sure you don't use any thread tape or any kind of thread sealant because it will actually interfere with the seal. These connections both are a flare seal. If you're getting a little bit of leakage, you probably didn't tighten it enough, grab your wrench, crank on it a little bit more. If you want to use a regular rubber hose, you don't have a pre-crimped hose with a fitting on the end, we also include this hose barb adapter setup. So you're gonna just take the barb, run it through the other fitting, and thread it right into the regulator. Same thing here, crescent wrench or 17mm wrench. Get that nice and tight. And then you just take your rubber hose, slide it on, and use a hose clamp to secure it onto the barb. Once you have your gas line hooked up, you're ready to go. Just twist your knob and set the flow rate where you want it for your welder. The most accurate measurement is having the ball right in the middle of the line. And from there, you are all ready to go.